Thank you all. Now let us watch a small clip of today's event. I am Rashika Srivastava, your host for today's evening. It is with great pleasure and immense pride that I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to this prestigious HR Excellence Award Ceremony 2023. This award ceremony is organized by Servic Business Solutions under their brand HR Padao in collaboration with Kalpatru Group of Companies, marketed by Sri Maya Consultancy and supported by reputed NGO Blue Honor Welfare Association. Today, we gather here not only to celebrate outstanding achievements, but also to recognize the hard work, dedication, and remarkable contributions of individuals who have set standards of excellence in their respective fields. This event is a testament of the power, perseverance, and pursuit of excellence. It is a momentous occasion where we come together to honor those whose unwavering commitment has left an indelible mark on their profession and in turn has inspired us all. As we embark on this evening of recognition, let us reflect on the journey that has led us here. Each nominee and award recipient has demonstrated a unique blend of talent, creativity, and an unyielding spirit to push boundaries. Today, we celebrate more than just accomplishments. We celebrate the triumph of dedication over obstacles, the triumph of vision over doubt, the triumph of hard work over adversity. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who has contributed for making this event possible. The organizing committee, supporters, sponsors, and our distinguished panel of judges. Your collective efforts have ensured that this gathering is a fitting tribute to the excellence we are here to acknowledge. To the nominees and winners, congratulations on reaching the pinnacle of success. Your achievements not only inspire us, but also serves as a benchmark for inspiring individuals who look up to you with respect. As we commence with award ceremony, let us embrace the spirit of celebration and companionship. May today's evening occasion be a memorable, filled with joy, inspiration, and shared commitment to continue striving for success. Once again, welcome to HR Excellence Award 2023, and may this evening be an unforgettable tribute to the exceptional talents and accomplishments that have brought us together. Now I request my co-host to take this event further.
आदरणीय महोदय एवं महोदया, सम्मानित मेहमान और प्रिय दोस्तों को मेरा नमस्ते। मैं प्रतिभा ताटके। आज हम यहाँ एक अत्यंत गर्वशील HR एक्सेलेंस अवार्ड के समर्थन में एकत्र हुए हैं। इस शानदार समारोह का आयोजन हमारे संस्थान के श्रेष्ठता के क्षेत्र में विशेष योगदान करने वाले व्यक्तियों का सम्मानित करने का है। यह एक ऐसा ऐतिहासिक अवसर है जहां हम मिलकर न केवल उनके द्वारा किए हुए शानदार बल्कि उनकी कड़ी मेहनत और उनके क्षेत्र में मानक स्थापित करने के लिए स्थापित किए गए योगदान को भी सराहेंगे। HR एक्सीलेंस पुरस्कार एक सम्मानित पुरस्कार है जो हमारे संस्थान द्वारा HR टीम के सदस्यों को मान्यता देने का एक माध्यम है। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करती हूँ, इस समय का आनंद लें, इस साझा क्षण को सजीव बनाएं और इस अद्भुत पल का हम सभी एक दूसरे के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो आइए कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हम दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ करें। हम ज्ञान, विवेक और दीपक जलाकर अपने कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हैं। यह एक विशेष क्षण है जो अंधकार को दूर करने, विचार और ज्ञान को प्रज्वलित करने का एक प्रतीक है। सम्मान देने के लिए मैं मंच पर गणमान्य अतिथियों का सम्मान करती हूँ। श्री MC गोहिल, डिप्टी डायरेक्टर इंडस्ट्रियल हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी। श्री धीरेन भाई लोधिया, चेयरमैन कल्पतरु ग्रुप।
I would request to Mr. Sanjay Bhoya, President, please come on the stage for Deep Prajwalan. Thank you.
समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
हमारे कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए आप सभी अतिथियों का धन्यवाद सर। अब हम आगे के कार्यक्रम के संचालन के लिए मैं अपने को-होस्ट को बुलाना चाहती हूँ।
Organization stands tall due to the tireless efforts of each one of you. Now, let's turn our attention to celebrating our standout performers, our exemplars, our source of inspiration, the ones who went beyond their boundaries and soared into the realms of the extraordinary. The most awaited moment of the evening is now going to start. हमारी अवार्ड की पहली कैटेगरी है HR शिशु और इसे देने के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी धीरेन भाई लोधिया सर को मंच पर। So the first name of the first category goes to Ms. Manali Bhanushali from Ahmedabad, Gujarat under the HR Shishu category. Manali Bhanushali currently undertaking PhD in Management, graduated in Commerce and completed her MBA in HR and Marketing in the year 2020. Prior to her present role, she garnered 3 years of experience as an HR executive at Veerchand Govarji Jewellers, Valsad. Contributed in designing and implementing the entire HR functions for the organization in the set time frame. Presently working in Ahmedabad with AB Jewellers Private Limited as the Senior HR Executive. I request Ms. Manali to please come on stage.
Can we clap?
Please come, sir. Please come.
A very big congratulations to Ms. Manali Bhanushali.
This is his first HR Excellence Award today, and she is in that issue. What is that? She started career in HR and getting award today. जिंदगी में मैं अवार्ड की इसलिए अहमियत रखता हूँ क्योंकि वो अवार्ड आपकी पहचान बना देते हैं. तो आज इस बच्ची के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली, क्योंकि इसके लिए लाइफ का HR का पहला अवार्ड है. God bless you.
Congratulations. The next awardee of this category is Mrs. Pratibha Tatke from Vapi, Gujarat under Shishu category. Started her career in 2016 with Servic Business Solutions as an office assistant and taken lead in HR activities and now supporting many small-scale organizations for implementing various HR practices. Contributed in handling the recruitment, payroll and compliances, matters of various companies within the set time frame. She is a good initiator and proactive in her job. I welcome Ms. Pratibha Tatke on stage. Congratulations, Mrs. Pratibha. The next awardee is Ms. Oshin Khalko from Silvassa, UT of DNH and DD under HR Shishu. An HR professional with a passion for driving systematic change and transformation in the workplace. With 1.7 years of experience in various HR functions, oversee all HR operations with a focus on fostering a strong collaborative work through successful change management initiatives. She is dedicated to coming up with innovative solutions and strategies to drive organizational development and create a positive impact through these efforts. Presently associated with Hindalco Industrial Limited, Silvassa as an assistant manager. I request Ms. Oshin Khalko to please come on stage. Soshil Khalko. That's all from this first category, HR Shishu. The next category is HR Balak. And the first award goes to Mr. Vijay Kumar Balasaw Hiruvade from Kolhapur, Maharashtra under HR Balak. He completed his education in MBA, GSc and A, Diploma in Labor Law. Presently, he is associated with Indumati HR Facility Private Limited as BM HR Operations and Business Management. He has 10 years of experience in HR domain. He utilizes his strength doing team activities and achieving new targets for sustaining all business. Now, I welcome Mr. Vijay Kumar to please come on stage. Congratulations, sir. The next awardee is Mr. Sunil Verma from Boisar, Maharashtra under HR Balak. He completed PGD in Human Resource Management from SADL Pune and his working experience is more than 12 years. Contributed for successful completion of STEP by OEKO, TEX, and Level 3 certification and various other aspects of HR. Presently, he is working in DD Corp Private Limited as a HR manager. This is, sir, I would request you to please come on stage. Congratulations, Mr. Sunil sir. I would request Mr. Dhiren sir to please take a seat for the further events. Now, let us move to our next category of awards, that is HR Kishore.
हमारी अवार्ड की तीसरी कैटेगरी है HR किशोर और इसे देने के लिए मैं मंच पर आग्रह करूंगी डॉक्टर केदार शुक्ला को कि वो मंच पर आए.
Thank you, sir. So we are now starting for the third category of awards, that is HR Kishore. And under this award, I would first like to welcome Mrs. Shraddha Sharma from Worldly Mumbai. And she is a strategic thinker having strong leadership capabilities to work in dynamic and fast-growing environment with proven ability to lead and manage teams with strong interpersonal skills and maturity and having capacity to handle and bring the change forward. Contributed immensely in the areas of digitization, data protection and security, employee engagement, enhancing employee delight experience, building performance cultures, policies and many more new initiatives. Presently associated with S. Kant Healthcare Limited, Worldly Mumbai as a Deputy General Manager, HR. moving on to the next awardee. The next awardee is Mr. Prashant Pahewal from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Completed his MBA HR from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. He is a 12 years of experience in HR and admin. He specializes in payroll, statutory compliance, health and safety, education and training in terms of human resource, employer-employee relationship activities, grievance redressal and many more. Apart from it, he has the complete ownership in terms of compensation and benefits, PMS for the group companies. Presently associated in BGLI Iron Electrics Limited, Bagla Group as Assistant Manager, HR and Administrative. Welcome sir on stage. A big congratulations to Mr. Prashant sir. Let's move to our next awardee, Mr. Anuj Sharma from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Approachable innovator with a passion for human resource, a learning curator, offering nearly 14 years of multifaceted expertise in human resource management, worked with brands of repute that is Videocon Industry Limited, Nosy Video Seats Limited and Bagla Group, implemented online performance management system, handled various cost-saving projects, formulated and implementation policies and best HR practices, conducted multiple employee engagement activities, implemented HR and admin functions in Greenfield project. Presently associated in BGLI IN Electrical Limited, Bagla Group as Manager, HR and Administration. We welcome you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, and a very big congratulations to you. Our next awardee is Dr. Vikas Sarjirao More from Pune, Maharashtra. He is an HR and IR professional having 12 years of expertise in HR and IR field, contributed in cost-saving projects through ABP scheme and saved almost 50 lakhs effectively implemented disciplinary procedures which help organization to avoid mistakes and defend heavy claims in future. Currently working as a senior manager, HR and admin in Stars Engineers India Private Limited, Pune, looking after overall gamut of HR. We welcome you, sir.
तालियां इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि आप इसलिए भी बजाते हो कि किसी को अच्छा लगता है। तालियां इसलिए बजाते हो कि किसी ने अच्छा काम किया है, और किसी के अच्छे काम को अप्रिशिएट करना एक्चुअल में सबसे पहली ह्यूमैनिटी होती है। तो तालियों से उत्साह भी बढ़ता है, माहौल भी बदलता है, और जिस बंदे को आपने पुरस्कृत किया हुआ है या किसी बंदे को आपने सम्मानित किया हुआ है उसको और उत्साह होता है कि और उसको आगे अच्छा काम करने का प्रोत्साहन मिले। तो दोस्तों, तालियां बजाने के लिए अनाउंसमेंट की जरूरत नहीं होती है, तालियां बजाने के लिए ऑनरशिप की जरूरत होती है। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजाइए, ताली बजाइए, ये अच्छा अवार्ड है। कि आपको अगर आप देखें तो इसमें सिर्फ कैटेगरी बदल रही है। शिशु जब पैदा हुआ था, फिर किशोर बना, है ना, इस तरीके से बढ़ रहा है। ये अवार्ड इज गोइंग टू बी अ पावर व्हेन इट गोज टू गुरु, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरीज आल्सो। सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स, ओनली थिंग इज दैट कि यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व योरसेल्फ, है ना। और आपकी तालियां एक्चुअल में अगर आप मिलते नहीं हो किसी को तो ब्लेसिंग के रूप में भी जाती है। सो मैं ऐसा चाहता हूं कि आपकी ब्लेसिंग्स लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया है, क्योंकि वहां से यहाँ का सफर बहुत टफ रहता है। और ये बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि मुझे भी आना चाहिए, लेकिन उसके लिए दो तरीके हैं। या तो आप उस चीज को अप्रिशिएट करो, मतलब एक्सेप्ट करो कि हाँ ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो वो आपके साथ में भी होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि ओरा अपने अंदर पैदा होता है। तो रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, प्लीज एंजॉय दिस इवेंट कंटिन्यूअसली। थैंक यू सो मच।
Moving on to our next awardee, Mr. Vilom Mane from Umargaon, Gujarat. He is having a transformational personality for attitudinal changes. Mr. Vilom is a certified 5S Kaizen and Quality Circle trainer from QCFI, certified behavioral trainer, certified internal auditor for QMS, EMS, OHSAS, ISO 50001, ENMS, TS 16949. He is also an environmentalist and loves nature. He likes natural and Ayurvedic treatment and always learns from experts. Presently, he is associated with Spanish MNC group Tubex Tubes and Pipes Private Limited in the capacity of head HR. We welcome you, sir. Congratulations, sir. Our next awardee is Mr. Paras Prajapati from Vapi, Gujarat. Graduated in Commerce and done BGD in Human Resource and PGD in Labor Law from MS University, Baroda. He contributed in enhancing the skill development of unskilled workers and saved lakhs of money for this organization. Presently, he is associated with Industrial Boilers Limited in the capacity of manager, HR and admin. We welcome you, sir. to the next awardee is Mr. Anil Vishwakarma from Boisar, Maharashtra. A professional HR having 16 plus years of corporate and manufacturing experience in strategy, talent management, PMS, policy and procedure, talent acquisition, L&D, OD, etc. in diversified sectors like stainless steel, infra, power and pharmaceutical. Major areas of contributions are implementations of online PMS system, effective training system for blue collars to improve workers' hygiene, attitude and conduct for building trust and increase productivity. He was earlier associated with organizations like JSW, Infrastructure, Enercon India and Lupin Limited, presently associated with Viraj Profile Private Limited as the cluster HR head. We welcome you, sir. A very big congratulations to Mr. Anil sir. Moving on to our next awardee is Mr. Raju Maruti Mahanavar from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. He is a self-driven HR professional with qualification of MSW specialization in HRM and labor welfare. Having 13 plus years of experience in core HR, specialist in payroll, statutory compliance, employee engagement, L&D, industrial relations. Contributed in training of 17 numbers of staff employees in the areas of ISO 9001, EOHS 45001 and 14001 standards. Implementation of best HR practices, implementation of NAPS, NAT schemes to boost the employment opportunity to new talents, future managers and government subsidy benefits to organization. Implementation of suggestions, Kaizen and ITM management to boost employees' morale for increasing productivity and revenue. Imparted HR and statutory compliance training to HR staff plus MBA and MSW's HR interns. Successfully signed wage agreement with union year-on-year rise. Presently, he is working on Raymond Luxury Cotton Limited in the capacity of Assistant Manager HR BP. We welcome you on stage, sir. A big congratulations to you, sir. Our next awardee is Dr. Madan Sharma from Surat, Gujarat. A seasoned MSc Psychology and MBA qualified HR professional with 20 years of experience in HR domain, he contributed in strategic HR management and organization development mindset, manpower planning, talent acquisition and management, PMS, competence development development through L&D, management planner culture, culture-based training programs, and HR automation. Has expertise in HR policy design and development, psychometric assessment, designed organizational development, and development assessment centers for talent management, retention strategies, employee engagement and change implementations. Presently associated with Luthra Group LLP as DGM HR. We welcome you on stage, sir. A very big congratulations to you, sir.
This is the enjoyment for the award basically. When we taken, है ना? So there are two things. कि we got this award and there is a pride to show the world. Yeah, ऐसा करके जो बताते हैं, yeah, like this, you have to be enjoy this moment because this will not come every day. This will not come with the front of same people. Fine. So this is actually the person who really enjoyed the award. I said feeling proud and feeling this appreciation is something different. आपको लाइफ में बहुत appreciation मिलता है, but are you enjoying that? So how you enjoy? So that is a way of happiness of the every individual. And we, as we discussed earlier, people will come from pan India. Now I think you are going through कि कहाँ से लोग आ रहे हैं. And once again, sir, congratulations and thank you. We enjoyed your this moment. Yeah! Award means success. Success means
Congratulations,
enjoyment.
Moving on to our last awardee in this category, which is Miss Revati Ramamurthy from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Revati Ramamurthy, with an extensive background encompassing 14 years of dedicated service in human resource, she brought a wealth of experience and expertise in this field. Her HR career journey has been marked by a deep commitment to fostering organizational success through strategic HR initiatives, talent acquisitions, employee engagement, and comprehensive workforce development. Presently, she is associated with ODCO as a Senior Manager, HR. We welcome you on stage, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. The next category is HR Guru.
हमारी अवार्ड की अगली कैटेगरी है एचआर गुरु और इसे देने के लिए मैं आग्रह करूंगी श्री MC गोहिल को कि वो मंच पर आए।
Please, sir.
From the HR Guru category, first awardee is Dr. Deepak Rajan Patnaik from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Dr. Deepak has been in the industry now for more than 3 decades in the field of HR, having worked in HRD and HRM. He is in the lead role as head HR for more than 10 years, has been associated in companies like L&T Limited, Jindal Strips Limited, LG Electronics Limited, Videocon Industries, Rashmi Metallics Limited, and now with Bagla Group as Group General Manager. He specializes the recruitment specially overseas C&B payroll, L&T, HR policies and IR. He is an MBA from IMT Ghaziabad. He has more accolades with him like most influential HR leaders in India, 2015, Six Sigma Green Belt, WTA certified principal of the Learning India Center at LG Electronics, Noida. He got his honorary PhD from World Human Rights Protection Commission, USA and India joint venture. So we welcome you, sir, on stage. Congratulations, sir. Moving on to our next awardee in Guru category is Mr. Sujendra Roy from Silvassa, UT of DNH and DD. Qualified in BA, DIM, CIC, PGD, having overall experience of 37 years in the field of HR domain, including 15 years served in Indian Navy, second rank holder in Naval Communication course, exposure as generalist profile in the field of human resource function, labor laws, engagement tools, training and development, and factory administration. Presently associated with Apar Industry Limited as a senior general manager from last 16 years. So we welcome you, sir.
हाँ चालू જ છે પ્રોગ્રામ.
A very big congratulations to you, sir.
हाँ हाँ
That's all from HR Guru category. Congratulations to all the awardees and wish you all the best. Let's move to the last category of awards, that is Super Squad.
यह हमारी अंतिम कैटेगरी है सुपर स्क्वाड और इसे देने के लिए आग्रह करूंगी श्री MC गोयल को कि वो मंच पर आए.
So, the Super Squad award goes to the HR team of Hindalco Industry Limited from Silvassa, UT of DNH and DD. I request all the HR team members to come on stage for the awards, and the names are Mr. Parnod Kular, Ms. Niyati Jain, Ms. Shweta Patil, Ms. Purva Naik, Mr. Manoj Patil, Mr. Vishwesh Dasundi, Ms. Rachel Rana. The Hindalco's HR team collective efforts have demonstrated outstanding collaboration, innovation and impact on organizational success, making them deserving candidates to the prestigious Super Steward Award. Congratulations the entire team on your achievements.